Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel OMG Tech World. In this video we will tell you about an amazing Android hack which is same like iPhone users. Many iPhone users can find their device location using Apple's Find My iPhone. If you want that, if you lost your Android phone and want to enjoy the same like an iPhone users, you have to see this video completely. If you want that, if you have lost your phone and you want to track its live location, you have to just go to settings and find security. In security you can easily find my mobile. If you are a Samsung user, then you can find my mobile. You have to give your email ID to Samsung, and if you lost your device, then Samsung will give you its live location. If you are not a Samsung user, then you have to follow the following steps. For users other than Samsung, you have to go to setting and find security and location. After that you have to find my device. In find my device you will have to turn on the location and go to device and admin apps. Here you will find my device. You have to click on it and go to activate this admin app. This will take you to find my device Google app. Just download the app and we will tell you in another video how to find the live location of your device. Just subscribe our channel so that you can find